For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Minooka to near Marseilles, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour gust. Source, radar indicated.
They can help.
County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois. At 3:15 p.m., traces breaking the changes on the line extending from 7 interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Minooka around 3:20 p.m. Morris around 3:25 p.m. Shanahan around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Platteville and Lisbon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.